Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make all photos have same length in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create a new project. We can click on new project, and I'm going to pick random photos from my gallery. I'm going to make the selected photos have same length or same duration in my CapCut project. Then I'm going to import the photo. Okay, and actually all this photo have same length or same duration, but there is no option to change the length or the duration of each photo at once. But don't worry guys, because here I want to show you the trick to change the length or the duration of each photo at once. You need to export your video first. Go to the export button and you need to wait until the video exported. Okay, and we're going to go back to the CapCut homepage, and we have to import the video we have just saved. So this is the video. We can import it to the CapCut project, and if you want to change the duration or the length of each photo, you can change the speed. So you need to click on the photo and click on the speed option and select normal. And for example, I'm going to make it the length longer or the duration longer, so I'm going to decrease the speed. Okay, and as you can see that the duration or the length of each photo has been changed automatically. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make all photos have same length in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.